Student, in this video I am taking question number 12 of exercise 4.6, that how we can find the solution of linear equation by matrix method. The question I have already noted here. The equations are x minus y plus z is 4, 2x plus y minus 3z is 0, and third equation is x plus y plus z is 2. So we start a solution that we can express given equations in the form of Ax is equal to b, where A is the matrix formed by the coefficient of x, y, z. So coefficient x, y, z in the first equation is 1, minus 1 and 1. In second equation this is 2, 1 and minus 3. In third equation is 1, 1 and 1. So this is matrix A. Similarly, matrix X, this is the matrix of the variable x, y, z, and matrix B, this is the matrix of the constant term, which are 4, 0 and 2. So these are the three matrices, and with the help of these three matrices we will be finding the solution of the linear equation. So first of all, what we do here, we find the determinant of A. So determinant of A, again we write the given matrix in the form of determinant. The elements are here 1, minus 3 and 1. So we find the determinant of A expanding along R1. So it comes 1 into 1 plus 3 minus plus 1 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. The final answer, after when we solve this value, so it comes 4 plus 5 plus 1, this is 10, not equals to 0. So therefore A inverse exists, imply that system has unique solution. Then we find adjoint A, and before finding the adjoint A we should have all the cofactors here. So I am finding the cofactor one by one. A11. So what the meaning of A11 means? Hide first row and first column. When you hide first row and first column, so hiding first row and first column, so we have 1 plus 3, that is 4. 1 plus 3, that is 4. A12, then hide first row and second column. Hide first row and second column. This is 2 plus 3, that is 5. But in 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, which is odd. So we have minus sign. Then A13, hide first row and third column. We have 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. Similarly, we find A21. A21 means second row, first column. This is minus 1, minus 2. But in A21 we have minus sign, so it is minus of minus 2, that is 2. A22, hide second row and second column. 1 minus 1, that is 0. A23, hide second row and third column. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus of minus 2, so this is 2. Why this minus sign is coming? Because of the position of this cofactor. This is 2 plus 3. This I have already explained in the previous video. 2 plus 3 is 5, so that's why it is odd number. So minus sign comes here. Then we have A31. So hide third row and first column. So we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8, 3, 2. 3, 2. Hide third row and second column. Minus 3, minus 2. That is minus 5. So minus of minus 5. It is plus 5. 8, 3, 3. 8, 3, 3. 3 and 3. So 1 plus 2. That is 3. So therefore, adjoint A is, then we write adjoint A. Therefore, adjoint A is, so how to write the adjoint A? We take all the cofactors A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33 and its transpose. This is very important, transpose. So adjoint A is a matrix of transpose cofactor. So it is 4 minus 5 and 1. Second is 2, 0 and 2. Third is 2, 5 and 3. Then we take its transpose. So finally it comes 4 minus 5 and 1. This first row will be first column, second row will be the second column and third row is third column. This is adjoint A. Then we find A inverse 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint A. So what is determinant A? So determinant A is how much? 1 upon 10. Adjoint A is 4 minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 2 and 2, 5 and 3. Now, since we have written Ax is equal to B here, so this Ax is equal to B by taking the pre-multiplication by A inverse on both the sides, so it comes X is A inverse of B. So what is X here? X is the matrix of variable x, y, z. A inverse 1 upon 10 of 4 minus 5 and 1, 2, 0 and 2, 2, 5 and 3 into B. So what is B here? B is 4, 0 and 2. So then we find the product here. So 1 upon 10, we find the product first row and first column. 16 plus 0 plus 4. 16 plus 0 plus 4. Then the second row first column minus 20. Then 0. Then plus 10. Third row this column, first column. So we have 4 plus 0 plus 6. So it is coming 20, 20, 20 minus 10 and plus 10. So dividing by 1 upon 10, so finally it comes 2 minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the left hand side x, y, z, right hand side containing this value. So on equating both the sides, we have x is 2, y is minus 1 and z is plus 1. So this is the way to find the solution of the linear equation. So after watching this video, you can complete the exercise. In exercise we have question number 15 also. In question number 15, matrix A is already given, so find A inverse. So when it is asked to find the A inverse, so at a time you have to use this adjoint method, right? Then after that With the help of that A inverse, you can solve the given system of equations.